Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Hegic. We will introduce the following sections. Hegic is a decentralized options trading protocol. Users can buy or sell call options and put options through smart contracts. It solves some key issues in traditional options markets. At first, without intermediaries, the transaction process is more secure and transparent, and it makes hedging risk or speculating easily. It also leveled the playing field for retail investors in favor of accessibility. So, what is the architecture of Hegic? There are three important components. The first is smart contracts. Pricing, execution, and settlement are automated, all for secure and transparent transactions. The second is liquidity pools. Options are backed by decentralized pools, with liquidity providers earning premiums and token rewards. The third is governance through Hegic. They can partake in decision making to vote for protocol upgrades and policies of the protocol. Under this architecture, there are many advantages. It's no doubt that transactions are on public record. Then, Hegic uses an automated market maker model where users can put money into any pool, which providing liquidity to the pool. The AMM model has certain particularities, which can better balance the pricing of options and the liquidity of the capital pool. At the same time, the AMM model of Hegic distributes users' risks and improves security by classifying risks. Finally, users can use an unmanaged wallet to connect to the Hegic platform, giving them good control over assets and transactions, reducing reliance on a centralized entity. However, there are still some challenges. Compared with centralized system, Hegic's throughput is very low, and each transaction requires network nodes to process. In addition, in order to ensure the security and stability of the node network, Hegic needs to invest a lot of money. Finally, some regulations of the decentralized system may conflict with national laws and regulations. So, Hegic's transaction risks and volatility will be greater.
For token design, Hegic is a cryptocurrency token for the Hegic DeFi platform in Ethereum. It is core component enabling holders to vote the project decisions, stake token for rewards, and participation in liquid trading. These features enhance user engagement, improve trading liquidity, and support platform operations. Hegic also functions as a payment method for transaction fees and services, adding practical value. Its profit-sharing mechanism fosters value creation and fair distribution within community, benefiting active users who are currently focused on options trading. Hegic is exploring staking and borrowing function to aid asset management. As a bridge between the platform and users, Hegic drives a decentralized economic system, strengthens community cohesion, and supporting Hegic's future growth. For the strengths and weakness of the application, Hegic is a decentralized finance platform that provides an alternative to centralized option trading. It uses smart contracts to launch innovative financial products with a simple and intuitive interface that attracts many new users. Its main competitors include Open, ACO Finance, and Direct, and Hegic's strengths lie on its flexibility and simplicity. Users can buy options with an uncertain strike price, eliminate traditional price structures, reduce the transaction costs, enhance the user experience with a diverse range of products. However, Hegic's disadvantages include vulnerabilities in smart contracts that may lead to asset risks, slow decentralization affecting user patience and stickiness, and insufficient liquidity in a poor market environment. In addition, the complexity of operations poses a learning threshold for non-technical users, and uncertainty of DeFi regulation may also bring compliance risks. The Hegic's future challenges. For the external challenges, Hegic faces increasingly stringent DeFi regulations, and policy changes in various countries may affect its operations and compliance. To respond to regulatory adjustments, Hegic needs to actively communicate with the regulatory authorities and establish a flexibility compliance framework. In addition, competition with other platforms requires Hegic to continuously attract users with innovative features and a high-quality experience while ensuring that the liquidity pool is adequately funded to remain competitive in the market. For internal challenges, smart contract vulnerabilities and hacker attacks are major risks for Hegic. The security audits and emergency response mechanisms are needed to protect user assets. On the technical side, the complexity of options trading poses an operational barrier to novices and non-technical users. Hegic also needs to respond to technical debt and market changes through market research and code optimization, and adjust the product strategy to ensure the sustainability and the security of the platform.
The next part is Hegic's advanced content. The first is pre-mined. Although Hegic allocated 20% of HEGIC tokens to early investors, this distribution aimed to boost initial development and reward early participants. Hegic used an IBCO to prevent early investors from getting a larger percentage of their tokens, so Hegic is not doing a significant pre-mined. The second is independent code audit. A critical evaluation by Trio of Bits in April 2020 uncovered significant security risks. Hegic's insufficient response to these findings led to user fund losses and a trust crisis. The third is development activity. Comparing with Lyra and Balancer projects on GitHub, it can be found that Hegic has a lower commits, issue resolution, and pull requests. Some improvements are needed in the sustainable development of the project. Hegic used the Arbitrum bridge to move AMM function from L1 to L2. Using these bridges can increase the speed of transaction processing and reduce transaction costs. Users can also use Arbitrum network to complete the interaction between HEGIC tokens and other tokens, thus enhancing the liquidity of the asset. However, there may be loopholes in the bridge engagement contract, which poses a threat to the security of users. In August 2021, Hegic unveiled version V8888, introducing ATM options for ETH and WBTC. These ATM options set a strike price close to the asset's market value, allowing holders to better balance risk and reward. To boost liquidity and capital efficiency, V8888 also launched Hegic long-term pools, encouraging liquidity providers to maintain their participation over extended periods. Additionally, V8888 implemented hedged tranches and auto-hedging. They can divide the liquidity pool's funds into different risk levels, automatically identify risk and hedging. Finally, Hegic has no KYC and AML. To address regulatory concerns, Hegic should enhance the traceability of transactions and increase its efforts to investigate frequent and large trading activities. And there are our reference list. That's all. Thanks for listening.